Modern hospitals are witnessing a transformation in surgical care due to revolutionary technologies that are fundamentally changing the landscape of critical surgeries. As advancements become commonplace, hospitals are equipped with tools that enhance precision and safety, particularly in brain and heart surgeries. With the ability to combine human expertise with cutting edge technology, these facilities are reshaping the future of healthcare. At the forefront of this revolution is artificial intelligence (AI), which plays an integral role in assisting doctors. AI algorithms analyze scans in seconds, identifying brain tumors and heart blockages at their earliest stages. By flagging potential issues before they escalate, medical professionals can craft proactive treatment plans. This significant leap in diagnostic accuracy means that patients can receive timely interventions, greatly improving their chances for successful outcomes. Robotic surgery also introduces a new realm of possibilities for surgeons. With the Da Vinci surgical robots, precision is taken to new heights, minimizing human errors while enabling steady and accurate movements during intricate procedures. In the context of neurosurgery, these robots assist in delicately removing tumors located deep within the brain, ensuring that healthy tissues remain unharmed. The combination of robotic technology and meticulous planning allows each operation to be executed with heightened confidence. Preoperative planning is transformed through the use of 3D imaging, which creates detailed models of the brain and heart. Surgeons can visualize complex anatomy prior to entering the operating room, allowing for strategic and informed decision-making. Intraoperative MRI further enriches this process, providing real-time images that guide surgeons as they navigate their delicate tasks. Advanced CT scans reveal crucial blood flow patterns, ensuring that heart blockages are diagnosed accurately, while virtual reality simulations provide a staged environment for surgeons to rehearse difficult procedures. Moreover, the synergy of augmented reality enhances surgical safety, overlaying 3D structures of nerves and vessels during operations. This technology serves as a navigational aid, helping surgeons to avoid critical regions of the brain and heart that could jeopardize patient safety. Additionally, catheter-based robotic systems enable minimally invasive heart surgeries that reduce recovery times and complications, marking a significant advancement in cardiac care. Ultimately, the future of brain and heart surgery is a harmonious blend of human skill and advanced technology. With ongoing explorations in nanotechnology and the integration of hybrid operating rooms, the aim is to make surgeries safer, faster, and less painful. As these innovations continue to evolve, they herald a new era where patients can expect not only enhanced outcomes but also a renewed sense of hope in their surgical journeys.